Are you coming to the park today?
I was planning to, but have you looked outside?
No, why? What's going on?
It's raining cats and dogs out there, the weather is terrible.
Really? I didn't realize it was that bad. I guess our park plans are off then?
Yeah, I think it's best to stay indoors. The roads might be slippery too.
True. Do you have any other plans for today then?
I might do the same, or maybe watch a movie. Got any recommendations?
If you like thrillers, you should check out The Silent Patient. It's pretty gripping.
That sounds interesting. I'll look it up, thanks.
No problem. Stay dry and enjoy your day.
You too. Hopefully, the rain stops soon.
Fingers crossed. See you later.
Hey Sarah, have you seen the new movie that just came out?
Oh, you mean the one everyone's talking about? Yeah, I saw it last night. It's an absolute kino.
Really? I've been hearing mixed reviews. What did you like about it?
The cinematography is breathtaking, and the storyline is so captivating. The director did an incredible job bringing everything together. What about you? Have you seen it yet?
Not yet, but now I'm definitely intrigued. I've always been a fan of movies with great cinematography.
You should definitely check it out. And the performances, the lead actor and actress were phenomenal. I was on the edge of my seat the entire time.
Sounds like a must-see. I was actually planning to go this weekend. Want to join me?
I'd love to, but I'm actually busy this weekend. Maybe next week?
That works for me. How about next Wednesday evening?
Perfect. Let's make it a movie night then. By the way, did you hear about the upcoming film festival in town?
No, I haven't. What's it about?
It's an indie film festival showcasing a lot of local talents and some international indie films. I went last year, and it was fantastic. A great way to discover new directors and unique films.
That sounds awesome. When is it happening?
It starts next Thursday and runs through the weekend. I'm planning to go on Sunday. You should come.
I'd love to. I'm always up for discovering new films. Thanks for the heads up.
No problem. Looking forward to it. See you next Friday for the movie, and maybe we can catch a few indie films at the festival on Sunday.
Sounds like a plan. See you then, Sarah.
Do you think I should apply for that job even though I'm not sure I meet all the qualifications?
Absolutely. There's no harm in asking. You might still have a chance.
I guess you're right. I'll give it a shot.
That's the spirit. Sometimes, opportunities surprise us when we least expect them.
I just don't want to waste their time if I'm not what they're looking for.
It's worth a try. You never know until you try, right?
True. I'll send in my application today and hope for the best.
Good luck. Remember, there's no harm in asking for clarification if you have any doubts during the process.
Thanks. I'll keep that in mind.
You're so jammy, you managed to get front row seats at the concert.
I know, right? It was pure luck. I happened to check the website right when they released more tickets.
Wow, that's incredible. You always seem to have good luck with these things.
Yeah, sometimes things just fall into place perfectly.
I wish I had your luck. It seems like everything you touch turns to gold.
I don't know about that. It's just one of those lucky moments.
Well, enjoy the concert. You definitely earned it.
Thanks, I can't wait. Maybe I should buy a lottery ticket while I'm at it.
Do you want to grab lunch together?
I'd love to, but I'm out of cash right now.
No problem, we can go somewhere that accepts cards.
Actually, my card isn't working either. I forgot to activate it.
That's tough luck. How about I treat you today?
Are you sure? I don't want to impose.
Absolutely. Consider it my treat for all those times you've covered me.
Thanks a lot, I really appreciate it.
No worries. Let's go before I change my mind.
Did you hear about the project launch? It was supposed to happen yesterday?
Yeah, I heard. But apparently, it didn't happen.
Really? That's surprising. Do you know why it didn't happen?
I'm not entirely sure, but I heard there were some issues with the final approval process.
Issues with approval. That sounds serious. Who was supposed to approve it?
From what I gathered, it was supposed to be approved by the senior management team, but there seems to have been some miscommunication or delay on their end.
Miscommunication. That's frustrating. Were they aware of the deadline?
They were, but there were also some last-minute changes to the project that needed their attention. Maybe that caused the delay.
Last-minute changes? Were they significant?
Yes, there were some adjustments required to meet new compliance standards. I think that added extra layers of complexity to the project.
Oh, I see. Compliance issues can definitely slow things down. Do you think it will affect the overall timeline of the project?
Possibly. If the approval doesn't come through soon, it might push the entire schedule back by a few weeks.
That's unfortunate. Have they given any indication of when the approval might come through?
I heard they're aiming to resolve everything by the end of the week. Fingers crossed that they stick to that timeline.
Hopefully, they do. It would be a shame if all the hard work went to waste because of delays.
Absolutely. Everyone has been working really hard on this project. Let's hope it gets back on track soon.
How's everything going with your new job?
Actually, I'm having second thoughts about it.
Really, what's making you feel that way?
Well, the workload is much more than I expected, and I'm not sure if this is the right fit for me.
I understand. It's important to be happy with your job. Have you talked to your manager about it?
Not yet, but I think I need to soon. I don't want to make any rash decisions, but I can't ignore how I'm feeling.
That sounds like a good plan. Sometimes talking it out can help clarify things. Let me know how it goes.
Thanks, Maya. I appreciate your support.
Please subscribe and see you in the next video.